Hope I am live or just I am just checking. Huh? If anybody can send a message, then I can start my live video. Or if you want, I can set a time and come. Acha, somebody is showing thumbs up. Acha, 5. That means I am live. This is your Papan Bhai, right? So we had foundation course re-examination, right? We had given opportunity to more than 1,000 students to participate, but however still maybe less than 600 or something only utilize that opportunity. So many of the foundation students were asking, what about the results, sir? See, yesterday examination is over, na? The second thing which we have helped. So kindly wait for less than a week. Definitely institute will come with the result. That is for the foundation students. For the intermediate and final students, they were telling that they were having some this thing with the mock test, and everybody want to have the replica of January examination, 3rd January to 10th January. They call it a mock exam or model exam or whatever it is. I told you, we have suggested step to success, model examination. Model examination means you will all love to have this thing. Please visit the website tonight itself. Tonight itself, please see the website. Instructions are given. This particular model examination, step to success. सीढ़ियाँ होता है ना, जैसे मैंने बोला, steps to success. That definitely you will have from 17th to whatever date. It will be for intermediate group 1, it will be for intermediate group 2, it will be for a group 3 of final, group 4 of final. Only thing is that instruction will be given. Since it is going to be home based, not the original examination. Model examination step to success will be home based. Certain instructions will be given by the institute, okay, which will be uploaded in the institute website, or it is already uploaded, I don't know, okay. The entire elected representative, your Papan Bhai also as one among the elected representative, along with the team of officials, we have seen that you should be given sufficient time. So, unka time bhi rahega. See, intermediate maybe in the morning 10 a.m. to whatever it is, 3 hours, 1 p.m. and final will be from 2 p.m. to the, exactly like that. See, what you should do is, you should create that examination atmosphere at your home, where the instructions are very clear, that your image and everything should be very clear. Okay, not that पीछे lighting आना चाहिए थी कि हमारा face नहीं दिखाएगा, not like that. Okay, everything should be clear. Please read the instruction also which the examination department are suggesting. Go by that, step by step, understand. You are getting 1 or 2 days because it will be from 17th only, right? So all the best for the model examination. According to me, it is called steps to success, because once you practice the step to success model examination, you will build up a confidence, so that you will appear for the actual examination of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India very nicely. And dear students, rest assured, all these rumors and other things, those who have tried to copy or do some malpractice or some mischievous or some cheating, everything recorded the institute is having through the service provider, right? So do not do anything, even for model examination, even for the original examination. Unnecessarily, let us not spoil our own career. This is my humble request. Whatever you have studied, please do it. Even this model, that actual examination, second time we gave on 14th, some students have not listened to me properly. Why people are involved in getting motivated? I saw in Twitter also, somebody showing some books in front of them, connecting the mobile and trying to type. And what is that we are trying to convey? And some people writing even some channel which is run by little bit famous final student. Great. What do you people achieve by all these stupid things? Are you trying to say that you are very smart in doing this or that? It is not going to benefit you at any this thing. Even if people who have put great or who are supporting or who are putting like for the sake of fun, institute will not spare such miscreants if you try to play in the actual examination. Be very clear. Please respect your parents. They have brought you to this level to come out successful in life, not to cheat or to through shortcut become some hero or heroine. I am very clear. Your Pappan Bhai is very lovely to you. At the same time, I am very clear, any institute for that matter, any university, any college, any school will never like their children to do such mischievous things or malpractice or cheating or whatever it is and trying to become hero or heroine. I am very clear. Those students who have done already some mistakes in the foundation examination online, they are going to get their due. If somebody feels that we can do this or that and create this thing, this thing, I am very sorry. And you cannot sit with your friends, you cannot sit with your brother, or you cannot sit with your sister, you cannot sit with your teachers, or you cannot take a photo, you cannot take a video. Whatever you people do now, everything is caught by the camera. It is not the invigilator, everybody this thing. So kindly wait for the institute upload with regard to the model examination step to success and go by that and practice in such a manner that you build up your confidence. By any chance, some questions are not known to you, it is very good so that you can revise and you can be prepared for the final examination, right? So this is what I want to convey, that is why I have come here. Okay. And I am not getting any chat or any this thing. I don't know whether I have pressed chats allowed or disallowed or whatever it is, I am not getting. But rest assured, like I told in my earlier video, I am only your representative. I am not a leader. So I am coming here once again to give you a feedback or give you a some point that your step to success model examination will commence from 17th December and it will go up to 24th or whatever it is, and for each group on different timing, so that you can, those who are appearing for both groups also can do their exercise. Rest assured, by any chance you score something in the model examination, do not worry. Only model, na? So that by any chance mistakes or this thing happen, we can rectify, we can read this thing, where I went wrong or this or that. Okay? So all the very best. So today's student, tomorrow's executive. Today's student, tomorrow's leader. Today's student, tomorrow's global leader. Today's student, tomorrow's future. I am a student, I will become a CMA. I am a student, I will become a CMA. Baki sab, you try your best and go by the notification, go by the direction, go by the guidelines, understand that, be prepared for the model examination, that is called step to success, CDOM, step to success, right? So break the chain but not the relationship. Break the chain but not the relationship, right? So I am a student, I will become a CMA. That should be our this thing, okay? So I am going to this thing. Let me see how to end the live video. Wish you all the best, okay? Thank you, thank you.